Good evening, my dear students. Good evening. Once again, welcome to the most reputed platform, Unacademy, my dear students. Myself is Dr. B.N. Rao, having 17 years of the pure teaching experience. Pure teaching experience. Out of these particular experience, from the last 10 years, I was supposed to be teaching the various subjects in the departments of ECE and instrumentation engineering. My dear students, the subjects like communication systems, okay, core instrumentation, electronic devices, and VLSI design. My dear students, okay, recently I received the PhD in the department of ECE under low power VLSI design. My dear students, okay, under low power VLSI design, my dear students, okay, and really dealt 200 plus batches across all the locations of the India, as well as the competitive examinations like GATE and engineering services, my dear students, okay. This is about my short profile, my dear students, okay. Similarly, when it comes into the Unacademy subscriptions, it plays a vital role over here, my dear students, okay. So what kind of subscriptions are there? As I told you, the two subscriptions are there, my dear students. One is called the iconic subscription, and second one is the plus subscription, okay. In the, if you are going to take the iconic subscription, okay, a personal coach is assigned for each and every subject regarding the details regarding the subject. He is going to depict you the subject in a detailed manner, my dear students, okay. Here also a detailed study plan is present, my dear students, over here, and you can receive the expert guidelines from the topmost educators of the Unacademy, my dear students, and also the engineering services level guidance also you are going to get along with the, my dear students, the GATE and engineering services, okay, along with the, okay, GATE, along with the GATE. So in order to crack the examination in a very positive way, my dear students, what ultimately we are going to do itself is okay, the very important parameter that I would like to bring it to you itself is the go for the iconic subscription, okay. So when you are going to complete these particular subscription, my dear students, you are going to achieve a good rank, okay, in the GATE and engineering services. Similarly, if you are going for the plus subscription, the next subscription, my dear students, if you are going to take this particular subscription also, there is no problem, okay. So this is not a long term, this is not a long term, okay, subscription, my dear students, okay. This is a short term subscription. When you are going to take this particular subscription, my dear students, here also you can access the live classes from the topmost educators of the Academy, and you can practice unlimited test series also, my dear students, okay. Test series also you can practice over here, okay. And with respect to the structured timetable, my dear students, okay, with respect to the structured timetable, my dear students, okay. Similarly, see, now we are going for the Unacademy, okay. If you, I told you for the two subscriptions, okay, very important subscriptions, my dear students, okay. Now here what ultimately I'm going to tell you itself is very important one. If you want to listen the or watch the previous, okay, recordings, or the plus batch or the live recordings, my dear students, or the free classes, first of all you need to install the Unacademy learning app, my dear students. Go for your mobile in the Play Store, type Unacademy learning app and install it, my dear students, okay. These are the procedures how to install the Unacademy learning app, my dear students, in your particular mobile, okay, in your particular mobile, my dear students, okay. Similarly, for GATE and engineering services, my dear students, for plus subscription for 12 months, the fee structure is 27,225, and you can use my code and get the discount, okay. Similarly, for 18 months, for the same plus subscription, 34,650, and you can use my code and get the discount, okay. Similarly, for 24 months, the fee structure is 39,600, and you can use my code and get the discount, my dear students, okay. Very important, my dear students, okay. Similarly, when you are going for the iconic subscription, my dear students, for 12 months, the fee structure is 45,225, and you can use my code and get the discount, okay. Similarly, go for the 24 months of the iconic subscription, my dear friends. If you are going to take this particular subscription, 24 months, my dear friends, and fee structure is 66,600, and you can use my code and get the discount, my dear students, for these particular subscription also. Okay, similarly, the plus batches taken already started and is taken by the topmost educators inside the Unacademy main platform in the departments of electrical and electronics and communications, my dear friends. My dear friends, and the target engineering services prelims batch 2021, my dear friends. 2021 electrical batch D. Next, rank booster batch for gate 2021 batch D, my dear friends, for ECE, and target engineering services level 2021 electrical batch C, and rank booster batch for gate 2021 batch B, my dear friends. Okay, all these batches are going to be taught by the senior most faculties who are there in the inside of this particular Unacademy. Okay, all these batches already started, my dear friends. This already started. The first batch is December 7th, second batch is November 30th, and third batch itself is November 20th, and fourth batch is November 16th. And these faculties are going to teach you the subjects in the two languages, English and Hindi, my dear students. Okay, these are all the general parameters. Just I would like to bring it to your today's before entering into the subject, my dear students. Okay, similarly, one more important thing itself is that ASCED for GATE 2023. ASCED for GATE 2023, my dear students. December 21st onwards, you are going to get starts this particular batch, ECE batch A, my dear students. Okay, which will be taught in English and Hindi by these faculties, my dear students. All these particular faculties are going to teach you the subjects, my dear students. Okay, ECE batch similarly. ASCED for GATE 2023 for electrical batch A, English and Hindi, my dear students. This is also starting from the 21st of the December, my dear students. These are the faculties that are going to teach you about these particular subjects, my dear students. Okay, similarly, evolve for GATE 2022. Okay, evolve for the GATE 2022, my dear students. Okay, which will be taught over here in English and Hindi, my dear students. Starts on 21st December. Okay, electrical batch. Okay, similarly, evolve for GATE 2022, my dear students. ECE batch A, my dear students, which will be taught in English and Hindi, my dear students, starts on 21st December, my dear students. Okay, 21st December, my dear students. All these particular faculties, my dear students, who are going to teach you the subject in a detailed manner. Okay, so these are all the batches that are going to be taken by the inside of the Unacademy platform, my dear students. Okay, very very important parameter. Just I would like to bring it to your notice. Okay, similarly, GATE crash course, it has been started and it is running successfully from the last 4 months, only in weekends, my dear friends, from the topmost educators. Okay, from the topmost educators of the Unacademy. Okay, like Bhim Shankar sir is teaching the networks and digital electronics, Professor Krishna sir is teaching mathematics and the foundation mathematics, and Professor Sharma sir is teaching the aptitude, my dear students, and myself in weekdays I am teaching communications and weekends in EDC, and Banu Prakash sir, he is teaching the subjects, my dear students, like machines and power electronics, and one more faculty, Power Surendra sir, is teaching the power systems, my dear students. Okay, similarly, for December month schedule, my dear students, communications, electrical machines, engineering mathematics, power systems and aptitude in weekdays only from 4 p.m. timings to 9:30 p.m. My dear students. Okay, already people has awareness regarding all these particular programs, and crash course only, my dear students, on Saturday and Sunday. That is power electronics 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. and EDC 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. and aptitude 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. my dear students. Okay, all these things are also generally going on, and the faculties are teaching in a detailed manner, my dear students. Okay. Okay, my dear friends. Okay, similarly, crash course for the EDC, my dear students. Already it has been started, and it is okay, and it is moving on in a very good manner, my dear students. Okay, and 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. only on Saturday and Sunday, my dear students. Okay, these are all the things just I would like to bring it to your notice before entering into the subject. Okay, and the legendary educator is also launching soon over here in our academy, my dear students. Okay, all these particular parameters just I would like to bring it to your notice before entering into the subject, my dear students. Okay, so these are all the parameters just I am going to bring it to your notice over here. Okay, similarly now in this particular class, my dear students, I am going for the very important concept already last class. Okay, I have finished, my dear students, random process. Okay, random process. So already I have finished all the concepts, my dear, all the types of distributions. Okay, and I have completed about the all the problems that are related to the various distribution functions in the previous class. Okay, previous class lo nana. Okay, once again students, welcome to the Unacademy Telugu channel. Previous class lo నేను అన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ని ఫినిష్ చేశాను. ఓకే, నౌ ఇవాళ కాన్సెప్ట్ ఏంటంటే ర్యాండమ్ సిగ్నల్ థియరీలో ర్యాండమ్ వేరియబుల్స్ అండ్ ర్యాండమ్ ప్రాసెస్ రెండు ఉంటాయని చెప్పాను కదా. ఓకే, మొత్తం ర్యాండమ్ సిగ్నల్ థియరీలో ఎన్ని ఉంటాయన్నా, రెండు ఉంటాయి. అంటే ర్యాండమ్ వేరియబుల్స్, ర్యాండమ్ ప్రాసెస్. అంటే ఏదైనా వేరియబుల్, ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ ఇట్ ఎనీ వేరియబుల్, ఓకే, విచ్ ఈస్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఆఫ్ టైం. ఓకే, విచ్ ఈజ్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఆఫ్ టైం అంటే ఏ వేరియబుల్ విచ్ ఈజ్ ఆల్వేస్ ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఆఫ్ టైం. ఓకే, ఇండిపెండెంట్ ఉంటే then that is called what? దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? random variable అంటారు. What we are going to call it as? We are going to call it as a random variable, my dear friends. ఇది ఆల్రెడీ మీకు లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ లో చెప్పారు. ఓకే, now what is random process? Random process means a variable, always we are going to take it, any variable which is dependent on time is called random process. Random process. Okay, x ఉంటేనేమో సింపుల్ గా ఏంది? random variable. Random variable, my dear friends. Okay, random process and a random variable. So a random variable, so which is dependent on time is called, which is a function of time, is a random process. So a random variable which is a function of time, my dear friends. Okay, any variable if you are representing which is a function of time is called what, my dear friends? This is called a random process. This is called a random process, my dear friends. Okay, see, I told you that which is always depending on the time. The best example itself is that I am going to calculate the temperatures since from the morning to evening, my dear students. Okay, I am calculating the temperatures since from morning 9 a.m. to evening, like that. I am calculating it every time. Okay, the temperatures are constant if it is 9 a.m. and I am going to call it as this is 4 p.m. or 6 p.m. Does the temperatures are constant? No, every time the temperature itself is changing, my dear students. Okay, so always the temperature at 9 o'clock the temperature is little bit low. At 1 o'clock, because of the hotness, the temperature is a little bit high, my dear students. Okay, so here what happens is the variable which is depending on what, my dear students? Which is depending on the time, my dear students. Okay, which is depending on the time, my dear students. Okay, this is called what? This is what, my dear students? Random process. This is called the random process. అయితే మీకు ఎలా అయితే ప్రీవియస్ క్లాసెస్లో నేను ఏం చెప్పాను? ఓకే, వాట్ ఆర్ ద పారామీటర్స్ ఐ హావ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. ఓకే, లైక్ నేను చెప్పాను పీడిఎఫ్ ప్రాబిలిటీ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఫంక్షన్ కానీ, ఓకే, అండ్ క్యుములేటివ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఫంక్షన్ కానీ. ఓకే, ప్రాబిలిటీ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఫంక్షన్ కానీ, సి హియర్, ఆర్ క్యుములేటివ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఫంక్షన్ రెండు సేమే. ఓకే, దీన్ని క్యాపిటల్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్తో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తే, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ప్రాబిలిటీ డెన్సిటీ ఫంక్షన్ని స్మాల్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్తోని రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం. వీఆర్ రిప్రజెంటింగ్ విత్ దీస్ పర్టికులర్ పారామీటర్స్, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇన్ అ డీటెయిల్ మేనర్. ఓకే, సో అల్టిమేట్లీ నవ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ ఫర్ ద, సో ఇక్కడ కూడా ఎలా అయితే మీరు ర్యాండమ్ వేరియబుల్స్ రాశారో, ర్యాండమ్ ప్రాసెస్లో కూడా ఇక్కడ మీరు వీటి యొక్క ఓకే ఈక్వేషన్స్ రాయాలన్నా. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ వీ నీడ్ టు రిప్రజెంట్ దోస్ పర్టికులర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. అవి రాద్దాం ఇక్కడ. ఓకే, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ సిడిఎఫ్. సిడిఎఫ్కి వచ్చేసరికి, ఓకే, యాజ్ ఆల్రెడీ టోల్డ్ యూ దట్ నేను కంపేర్ చేస్తున్నా. జనరల్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు కంపేర్ విత్ ద ర్యాండమ్ వేరియబుల్ ఎక్స్ తీసుకుంటే, ఎక్స్ విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు P of x is less than or equal to x, my dear students. Okay, x is less than or equal to x, my dear students. Okay, if f of x of t which is equal to, my dear students, capital F of, okay, I am representing with what, my dear students? I am representing with the parameters. Okay, and that particular parameters are very very important over here, my dear students. Okay, so and if you need to represent those particular parameters in a detailed manner. Okay, so how to represent those particular parameters means, see here, if I am representing that, that is f of x. Okay, f of x is equal to p of x is less than or equal to x. Okay, if I am representing in terms of this is random variable, and this one is a random process, my dear students. Okay, f of x of t means p of x of t is less than or equal to x. What is this? This is first order CDF, my dear students. First order CDF, my dear students. Okay, wait a minute, little small inverter problem is there. Wait a minute, my dear students. Just okay. Sorry, my dear students, little technical issue that has been resolved. Okay, so here, my dear students, so x is the value over here, my dear students, and this is f of x. Okay, if I am representing any, this is what random, where this is what random variable, but if I want to write down the same, that is a CDF for this one. How I am representing the same CDF? I am representing the same CDF by keeping x is a function of time, my dear students. Okay, x is a function of time, my dear students. Okay, so x of t which is less than or equal to x means this is was the first order CDF of what? Random process. Random process, my dear students. Okay, because this is not depending on anyone. ఈ random variable which is independent of time, my dear students. ఇది వచ్చేసరికి which is dependent on time. Which is dependent on time, my dear students. Okay, very very important over here. Okay, you need to remember that particular things over here, my dear students. Okay, అంటే ఏది random variable, ఏది random process తెలుసుకోవాలి మీరు, my dear students. Okay, very very important one. Similarly, నేను ఇది ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ అంటే ఒకే టైం ఇన్స్టెంట్ మీద ఎప్పుడు డిపెండ్ కాదు కదా, వేరియబుల్ డిఫరెంట్ టైం ఇన్స్టెంట్స్ మీద డిపెండ్ అవుతాయి. సో ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ ద సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్. సో ఇలానే ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ ఎలా ఉందో, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఐఎమ్ రిప్రజెంటింగ్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ద సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్. సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్కి వచ్చేసరికి x1 కామా x2 t1 కామా t2, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, విచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు p of xt1 less than or equal to x1 xt2 is less than or equal to x2, my dear students. Okay, and this one is called second order CDF. ఓకే, సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ CDF మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ మీన్స్ ఆల్వేస్ అంటే మీకు ర్యాండమ్ వేరియబుల్స్లో మాత్రం ఒకటే ఫార్ములా వస్తుంది, CDFకి ఇది ఒకటే వస్తుంది. బట్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి ఏంది, ర్యాండమ్ ప్రాసెస్లో యూ ఆర్ గెటింగ్ ద టూ ఫార్ములాస్. వన్ ఈజ్ ద ఫస్ట్ ఆర్డర్ క్యుములేటివ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఫంక్షన్, ఇంకోటేమో సెకండ్ ఆర్డర్ క్యుములేటివ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ ఫంక్షన్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్, యూ నీడ్ టు రిమెంబర్ ఓవర్ హియర్. ఓకే, సిమిలర్లీ my dear students, this is about the parameters of what, my dear students, the parameters of what, my dear students, parameters of the that is CDF. Similarly, I need to write down for I need to represent it for, my dear students, also for PDF. PDF, my dear students. Okay, that is we are representing for the PDF. Okay, what is PDF? We need to represent just what is the PDF of a random variable f of x equal to, my dear students, d by dx of, my dear students, capital F of x. Okay, now represent with respect to the x of time. This is a first order probability density function. Probability density function, my dear students. Okay, similarly second order which is equal to dou square by dou x1 into dou x2, my dear students. Okay, we can represent in the second order like this also, my dear students. We are representing in this particular fashion also for the second order, my dear students. Okay, very very important one. Okay, which is equal to f of x1 x2, my dear students, t1 and t2, my dear students. Okay, this is what second order probability density function. Second order probability density function, my dear students. Okay, this is a second order probability density function, my dear students. Okay, very very important to remember over here. Probability density function, my dear students. Okay, so all these particular things are very very important, my dear students, to remember over here. Okay, similarly what ultimately I am going to tell you, I am going to teach you the very very important parameters that are concerned with respect to the okay. అంటే ఇప్పటిదాకా చెప్పారు కదా ఎలా ఉంటాయి అని చెప్పాను మీకు. అంటే ఒక CDFని ఎలా రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాము, ఒక PDFని ఎలా రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాము, ఇవన్నీ ర్యాండమ్ ప్రాసెస్లో డిపెండెంట్ ఆన్ టైం. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ రెండు ఉంటాయి ర్యాండమ్ ప్రాసెస్లో, రెండు ఉంటాయి అలా డిపెండింగ్ ఆన్ ద టైం, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, ద బోత్ ద థింగ్స్ ఆర్ ప్రెసెంట్ ఓవర్ హియర్, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, సిమిలర్లీ now here also we need to study in the random process like the averages. Already we have studied, my dear students, in random variables. Random variables లో ఎలా అయితే మీరు averages చదివారో ఇక్కడ కూడా statistical averages చదవాలన్నా. ఓకే, statistical averages of what, my dear students, of what? Okay, the random process of what, my dear students, of random process. Random process యొక్క statistical average also we need to study over here, my dear students. Okay, very very important over here, my dear students. Okay, how to study these particular statistical properties, let me depict you in a detailed manner, my dear students. Okay, so how we are going to study those particular parameters. Okay, how many statistical averages are there? Okay, statistical averages has been classified into two types. Two types, my dear students. One is called ensemble averages. Second one is called time averages. ensemble averages and time averages, my dear students. Okay, what is ensemble? Okay, what is ensemble averages and what is time averages? So let me depict you before going for it, because the statistical averages అంటే in the random variables లో mean square value, variance, standard deviation ఎలా మనం చదివామో we are going to study over here also, my dear students, in that particular fashion only over here. Okay, so here the first average is called ensemble averages. Ensemble averages అంటే మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ ఎన్సెంబుల్? ఎన్సెంబుల్ అంటే సింపుల్గా ఏం లేదా, కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ డేటాని ఎన్సెంబుల్ అంటారు. కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ డేటా, కలెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ డేటా, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. సో జనరల్గా ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ విత్ ఎ ప్రాక్టికల్ టర్మ్, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. రెండు యావరేజెస్ని చెప్తాను మీకు, ప్రాక్టికల్గా చెప్తాను. ఓకే, సపోజ్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ ఎ స్కేల్, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. మార్నింగ్ 9 AM to 6 PM టెంపరేచర్స్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ ఇట్ ఓవర్ హియర్. ఓకే, first day, second day, like that, third day. Okay, you are getting the various temperatures up to in a month 31st day. Okay, so the temperatures from morning, okay, 9 AM. Okay, listen carefully. This is 9 AM, my dear students. 11 AM, okay, 2 PM and 6 PM, my dear students. Okay, 2 PM and 6 PM. This is first day. This is for second day. Similarly, okay, third day. This is third day chart. This is second day chart. Okay, here also 9 AM, 11 AM, 2 PM and 6 PM, my dear students. Okay, similarly here 9 AM, 11 AM, 2 PM, my dear students, and 6 PM. Like that the days are going on up to 31st day. This is the 31st day. This is also 9 AM, 11 AM, 2 PM and it is 6 PM, my dear students. Like that it is there. Okay, like that it is there, my dear students. Okay, ensemble. Ensemble means, I told you that ensemble means collection of data. Okay, now వాట్ ఈజ్ ఎన్సేబుల్ అంటే ఫస్ట్ డేలో 11 o'clockకి ఏ టెంపరేచర్ ఉందో, ఓకే, ఈ ఏ టెంపరేచర్ ఉంది ఫస్ట్ డేలో, సెకండ్ డేలో ఏ టెంపరేచర్ ఉంది, థర్డ్ డేలో ఏ టెంపరేచర్ ఉంది, అట్లా 31st డే దాకా, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, ద యావరేజ్ టెంపరేచర్ అట్ 11 AM ఇన్ ద మంత్ ఆఫ్ మే. ఈ కంప్లీట్గా మే అనుకోవడం నెల. ఓకే, నౌ వాట్ ఈజ్ ఎన్సేబుల్ అంటే, ఓకే, ensemble means the average temperature at 11 AM. Average temperature, my dear students, at 11 AM. At 11 AM, my dear students. Okay, at 11 AM in the month of May. In the month of మే, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, అంటే ప్రతిరోజు 11 o'clock అట్లా మొత్తం యావరేజ్ తీయండి, ప్రతిరోజు అట్లా 31st డే దాన్ని ఏమంటారు, ఎన్సెంబుల్ అంటారు. అంటే ఫస్ట్ డే 11 o'clockకి, సెకండ్ డే 11 o'clockకి అట్లా అంతా యావరేజ్ తీయాలి. ఓకే, వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు టేక్ ఇట్, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, ఇది ఎన్సెంబుల్. సెకండ్ యావరేజ్ ఏం చెప్పాను, టైం యావరేజ్ అన్నారు. ఓకే, అంటే టైం యావరేజ్ అంటే నాన్న ఇక్కడే చెప్పేస్తాను, అది కూడా ప్రీవియస్ స్లైడ్లోనే. ఓకే, వాట్ ఈస్ టైం యావరేజెస్? టైం యావరేజెస్ అంటే, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఇక్కడ చూడండి, టైం యావరేజ్ అంటే ద యావరేజ్ టెంపరేచర్ బిట్వీన్ 11 AM to 2 PM టైంలో, ఈ టైంలో. ఓకే, 11 AM to 2 PM ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ డే, అండ్ దట్ డిపెండ్స్ ఆన్ టైం, ఆ టైంలో, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, అట్లా. ఓకే, అట్లా టైం యావరేజ్ అంటారు దాన్ని. మీన్స్ దాంట్లో ఏదో ఒక టైంలో యావరేజ్ తీసుకోవడం. ఓకే, అది ఫస్ట్ డేలో తీసుకోవచ్చు, సెకండ్ డేలో తీసుకోవచ్చు, బట్ దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ టైం యావరేజ్. Time average, my dear students. Okay, what is the time average? The average temperature between, example is just example. Okay, the average temperature between 11 AM to 2 PM. Okay, 11 AM to 2 PM in what, my dear students? In first day. in first day, my dear students. Okay, in first day. Okay, like that what we are going to do, see here, అంటే మనం ఇలా ఈ పారామీటర్స్ అన్నిటిని మనం చూసుకోవాలి. ఈ పారామీటర్స్ అన్ని చూసుకొని మనము వీ హ్యావ్ టు గో ఫర్ ఇట్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఓవర్ హియర్. అర్థమైందా? అంటే మీకు ర్యాండమ్ వేరియబుల్ మాత్రం ఒకటే యావరేజ్ ఉంటాయి అలా, ఎందుకంటే డిపెండెంట్ ఆఫ్ టైం కాదు కదా, ఇక్కడ మాత్రం డిపెండెంట్ ఆఫ్ టైం కాబట్టి 2 యావరేజ్ ఉంటాయి. ఒక దాన్ని ఏమంటారు ఎన్సెంబుల్ యావరేజ్, ఇంకో దాన్ని ఏమంటారు టైం యావరేజ్ అంటారు అలా. ఓకే, నౌ ఎన్సెంబుల్ యావరేజెస్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఏంది మనం చూసి నెక్స్ట్ టైం యావరేజెస్ ఫార్ములాస్ ఏందో మనం చూద్దాం అన్న డీటెయిల్డ్గా. ఓకే, నౌ నెక్స్ట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ ఫర్ ద ఎన్సెంబుల్ యావరేజెస్ ఫార్ములాస్. Ensemble averages, my dear students. So what is ensemble averages? Okay, అసలు ensemble averages అంటే ఏంది? ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ensemble. ఓకే, averaged mean అంటారు. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ వాట్? ensemble. Ensemble average mean, first one, my dear students. Okay, we are representing it with which is x of t. Okay, which is the general we are representing with e of x of t kada. E of x of t అంటే ఏందన్నా, which is called x bar of t అని కూడా రాయొచ్చు. దాన్ని చెప్పాను, మీ ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఆఫ్ మీన్లో చెప్పాను మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే, which is equal to mean value m1 of t, my dear friends, which is equal to integration of x of t into f of, okay, x of t into dx. మీకు మీన్లో ఎలా చెప్పాను ర్యాండమ్ వేరియబుల్స్లో అలానే అలా యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ ద ఫార్ములాస్ హియర్. ఇక్కడ కూడా మీకు అలానే ఫార్ములాస్ వస్తాయి మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, సిమిలర్లీ సెకండ్ వన్ ఎన్సెంబుల్డ్ యావరేజ్డ్ మీన్ స్క్వేర్. Ensembled average mean square value, averaged mean square value, my dear students. Okay, here also which is equal to t, my dear students. This is the value m2 of t, which is equal to dx. Okay, this is x square of t. Okay, here x of t mean square. ఒక్కసారి కంపేర్ చేసుకోండి, అలా ప్రీవియస్ రికార్డింగ్స్తో వెళ్ళండి, ర్యాండమ్ వేరియబుల్స్లో కంపేర్ చేసుకోండి. ద సేమ్ ఫార్ములాస్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ ఓవర్ హియర్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, థర్డ్ వన్ ఈజ్ వేరియన్స్. ఎన్సెంబుల్ వేరియన్స్ అన్న వేరియన్స్ అని కూడా సింపుల్గా రిప్రజెంట్ చేయొచ్చు. వాట్ ఈజ్ వేరియన్స్? ఓకే, వేరియన్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు m2 of t, my dear students, much is equal to m1 square of t. This is variance. Okay, similarly standard deviation, under square root of what, my dear students? Variance. Okay, under square root of variance, which is equal to m square of t minus m1 square of t, my dear students. Okay, all these things are very very important over here. ఇలా ఇక్కడ మీకు దీంతో పాటు అంటే మనకు అక్కడ ఇలానే వచ్చాయి 4, బట్ ఇక్కడ ఒకటి ఎక్స్ట్రా వస్తుంది మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, వన్ థింగ్ యూ ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గెట్ ఎక్స్ట్రా ఓవర్ హియర్ మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, అండ్ దట్ వన్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ACF, ఆటో కర్లేషన్ ఫంక్షన్, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, వన్ మోర్ పారామీటర్ కమ్స్ ఇన్ టు పిక్చర్ ఇన్ ఎన్సెంబుల్డ్, దట్ ఈస్ యావరేజెస్. Ensemble averages లో లాస్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ ACF. ACF మీన్స్ ఆటో కర్లేషన్ ఫంక్షన్. వాట్ ఈస్ ACF? ACF ante auto correlation function. For what purpose we are going to use this one? Okay, generally ACF is used to determine the mean similarities. Okay, mean similarity of the determine the random process at two different instants of time. Okay, the similarity of the random process at two different instants of time. Okay, ante ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేస్తాం means determine, my dear students, the similarity of random process my dear students. Okay, similarity of random process at two different instants of time. Two different very very important point, two different instants of time. My dear students, okay, and that one is called ACF, auto correlation function, my dear students. And ACF, the fifth formula ACF is represented by, okay, ACF, which is equal to E of what, my dear students? Okay, xt1, okay, into xt2, which is equal to E of xt, two different a time period. The time 2 is after delayed, అంటే ఇది ఒక టైం పీరియడ్ అనుకోండి, ఇది ఒక టైం పీరియడ్ అనుకోండి మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఇది T1 అంటే ఇది ఒక అరౌండ్ 9 AM అనుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ టైం పీరియడ్ 2 PM అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆఫ్టర్ డిలే తర్వాత కదా వచ్చే T2. ఈ యొక్క గ్యాప్ ఏమంటారు? టౌ అంటారు. ద డిలే, ద గ్యాప్ డిలే బిట్వీన్ ద టూ టైమ్స్ ఈస్ ఓకే x of t into x of t plus tau, my dear students. Okay, x of t plus tau, my dear students. Okay, and these particular 5 formulas are very very important, my dear students. Okay, in calculating the ensemble averages, my dear students. Okay, in calculating what, the ensemble averages, my dear students. Okay, similarly next one, time averages. What is time averages, my dear students? Okay, if I am going to take it the time averages, what is time averages? Okay, time averages also, my dear students, we are representing in 5 types. Here also you are getting the mean square value. Third one, variance, standard deviation. Here also you are getting the that one. First one is mean, that is time average mean, or we can represent with the mean. All is time averages. First one is mean equal to, it is represented by, which is equal to 1 by T2 minus T1, T1 T2 into x of t into dt. This is mean formula, my dear students. Okay, time averages we are going to take it between the two instants. Okay, similarly mean square value in time averages mean, that is equal to, mean is represented by m1 of t. Okay, here it is represented by m2, that is equal to x square of t, which is equal to 1 by T2 by T1 into T1 into T2 into x square of t into dt, my dear students. Okay, and this is what a mean square value represented by m2 of t, my dear students. Okay, similarly variance equal to, as you know, that that is mean square value minus mean square, my dear students. Okay, similarly standard deviation, d bit under square root of variance. Okay, you can write down. Fifth one itself is, you know very well. Here also ACF comes into picture. Here also ACF comes into picture, auto correlation function, which is equal to formula x of t, x of t plus tau, my dear students, and 1 by tau. What is tau? Tau means T2 minus T1, the difference in the timings, the delay. T2 minus T1 is the tau, my dear students. Okay, limits t2 t plus tau, my dear friends, into x of t into x of t plus tau into dt, my dear students. Okay, t plus tau into dt, my dear students. Okay, very important formulas. Okay, very, so the tau is always, so here these are all the time averages, my dear students. Okay, when you are calculating the as ensemble averages and time averages, okay, మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే ensemble averages calculate చేస్తారో ప్రాక్టికల్ గా టైమ్ averages calculate చేస్తారో అప్పుడు రెండు సేమ్ అవుతాయి. దెన్ వాట్ హ్యాపెన్స్, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్, ఆ ర్యాండమ్ ప్రాసెస్ ఏమంటారంటే ఎర్గోడిక్ ర్యాండమ్ ప్రాసెస్ అంటారు. ఓకే, అంటే దట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద కండిషన్ ఫర్ ద ఎర్గోడిక్ ర్యాండమ్ ప్రాసెస్? What is the condition for the ergodic random process? What is the condition for the ergodic random process, my dear students? Okay, the process which is having the two parameters that the ensemble averages and the time averages are equal. Okay, the condition is the ensemble averages is equal to time averages. Then it is called ergodic random process. When you are in the process of calculation, if the values are equal, then it is called what, my dear students? Ergodic random process, my dear students. Okay, it is called ergodic random process. Okay, these are all the important parameters that you have to remember, not only important for the gate level and also for the gate and engineering services level. Okay, ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే లాస్ట్ 3 years నుంచి ఎక్కువ క్వశ్చన్స్ వీటి మీద అడుగుతున్నాను అన్న. They are asking the more number of questions from the random signal theory, my dear students. Okay, similarly, next one. Next one is my dear students, very important one. Okay, so these are all the general parameters, just I would like to bring it to your notice. Okay, similarly, I am going for the classification of the random process. Very important, my dear students. What are the various types of random process are there? Very important, my dear students. The classification of the random process, my dear students. Okay, first one is based, the classification of the random process are 3 categories. One is based upon the function of time. Second one based upon the prediction. Third one based upon the change in the time shift. Based upon the change in the time shift. First one is based on function of time, t, my dear students. Okay, based upon the function of the time t, my dear students. Function of the time t, my dear students. There are 2 types of random process. One is called a continuous random process and second one is called a discrete random process. Okay, the first one is continuous random process, my dear students. Okay, what is continuous random process? Okay, continuous random process means my dear students, very important, just I am representing only the definition. Okay, see here, a random process is said to be continuous. Okay, random process x, my dear students, which is continuous. Okay, and a random process x is continuous, my dear students, and and time t take any values between t1 and t2. Okay, this is a continuous, ఇది ఒక కంటిన్యూస్ నలా, and see here means a random process x is said to be continuous and the time t have any values between t1 and 2 and the time t is having any values between t1 and t2, my dear students. ఏదైనా కూడా కావచ్చు కంటిన్యూస్ గా, my dear students. Okay, I am going to take any particular value. Okay, so that one is called what, my dear students? T1 and T2 ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు కంటిన్యూస్ గా. The best example itself ఇలా తీసుకోండి. The best example ఇది x డిపెండెంట్ టైం అయితే x with respect to time, my dear students. ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు T1 T2 మధ్య ఎనీ అండ్ కంటిన్యూస్గా ఉంటాయి, my dear students. Okay, and these particular random process is called what, my dear students? Continuous random process. Okay, second one is B, discrete random process. What is discrete random process, my dear students? Okay, discrete random process. Okay, the best example continuous random process best example ఏందలా continuous calculation of the temperatures from morning 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. every time for different my dear students, the temperatures are changing, my dear students, for different what instants of time. For different instants of time, what happens, my dear students? The temperatures are changing. And discrete random process, discrete means the random process assumes only that is two values, only specified values, but t is a continuous. See, it is moving like this. This is a t itself is a continuous, but it takes only specified values. Specified values, what are the specified values? ఒకసారి 1 ఉంటే ఇంకోసారి 0. discrete values ఏ 1 ఉంటే 0, next మళ్ళీ 1 ఉంటే next 0. only the random process is said to be, x is said to be discrete, my dear students. It has only two values, x of t. It has only two values. This is 1, this is 0, this is 1 and this is 0, my dear students. Okay, means so assumes only specified values, but t is a continuous. Here t is moving continuously. It is dependent, but on this t scale, ఈ t scale మీద రెండే values ఉంటాయి. Only the two values are present on this particular scale. Is that clear, my dear students, up to here, everyone? Is that clear, my dear students, up to here, everyone, my dear students? Okay, similarly completed. Similarly, next, my dear friends, next one, this is based upon what? Function of time. So what is the best example for this discrete random process? Opening and closing of a switch. Opening and closing of a switch, my dear friends. Okay, రెండు values ఏ. Okay, on అంటేనేమో ఇది switch, 0 అంటేనేమో off. On and off a switch, opening and closing of a switch, my dear students. Similarly, classification of the random process. Second one, based on prediction. Based on prediction, my dear students. How many types of random process are there? Based upon the prediction, the random process are classified into, first one is deterministic random process. Random process. Deterministic random process. అంటే deterministic అంటే ఏంది? మనము that is having a certainty, sure అయింది పని అనేది. The best example ఏంది? deterministic is sunrise in the east. Second one is indeterministic or non-deterministic random process. Non-deterministic random process means there is no clarity. The best example is the tossing of a coin. or throwing a dice. Tossing of a coin or throwing a dice, my dear students. Okay, deterministic random process means the future values of any particular sample you can predict from the past values. Okay, any sample can be predicted from the knowledge of the past values. See here, the future values of any sample can be predicted from knowledge of past values. అంటే పాస్ట్ డేటా ఫ్యూచర్ డేటాని పాస్ట్ డేటా పెట్టి ప్రిడిక్ట్ చేయొచ్చునా? వీ కెన్ ఈజీలీ ప్రిడిక్ట్ ఇట్, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. సెకండ్ వన్, నాన్ డిటర్మినిస్టిక్ ర్యాండమ్ ప్రాసెస్. నాన్ డిటర్మినిస్టిక్ random process. What is non-deterministic random process? The future values of the any sample can be predicted? No, it cannot be predicted. Cannot be predicted, my dear students. It is impossible to predict. Cannot be predicted, my dear students. Okay, so now means what I'm going to tell you, not the future values of any sample cannot be predicted from the from the knowledge of the past values. It is called a non-deterministic random process. It is called a non-deterministic random process, my dear students. Okay, so this is about this one. Okay, అంటే మనకి ఎప్పుడు ఫ్యూచర్ డేటా మనం ప్రిడిక్ట్ చేయాలి అంటే పాస్ట్ డేటా చూసుకొని. దీని బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏం చెప్పాలా మీకు, ఒక సింపుల్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను. బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఒక ఫుడ్ వరల్డ్ లొకేషన్ తీసుకోండి. ఒక ఫుడ్ వరల్డ్ అనే సంస్థ దిల్షు నగర్లో ఉంది. ఓకే, ఎల్బీ నగర్లో ఉంది, కుక్కట్పల్లిలో ఉంది, మెహదీపట్నంలో ఉంది. ఒకటే సంస్థ ఫుడ్ వరల్డ్. ఫుడ్ వరల్డ్ అనే సంస్థ అంటే ఫుడ్ మార్కెట్, అంటే ఫుడ్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ అన్నీ దొరుకుతాయి ఇక్కడ. సో దిల్షు నగర్లో ఉన్నాయి మంచి లాభాలతో నడుస్తుంది, అండ్ ఎల్బీ నగర్లో ఉన్నది మంచి లాభాలతో నడుస్తుంది, కుక్కట్పల్లిలో ఉన్నది పర్లేదు. సో ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసరికి మెహదీపట్నం సరిగ్గా నడుస్తలేదు. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఇవన్నీ ఇవన్నీ ఒకే సంస్థ కాబట్టి వీటితో ఒక సర్వర్లో డేటా స్టోర్ చేస్తారు. కంప్లీట్గా ఒక సర్వర్లో దే ఆర్ స్టోరింగ్ ద డేటా. అన్ని యొక్క లొకేషన్స్ యొక్క డేటా స్టోర్ చేసి ఎందుకు దిల్షు నగర్లో ఈ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ సేల్ అవుతున్నాయి, ఎందుకు ఎల్బీ నగర్లో ఎలా సేల్ అవుతున్నాయి, ఇక్కడ ఎందుకు మెహదీపట్నంలో తక్కువ సేల్ అవుతున్నాయి అని మొత్తం ఇదంతా ఏంటి డేటా స్టోరేజ్. ఇదంతా పాస్ట్ డేటా. ఈ పాస్ట్ డేటాతో ఏం అనలైజ్ చేస్తున్నాం, ఫ్యూచర్ ఎలా ఉండాలి లేదు. ఓకే, మెహదీపట్నంలో ఈ చేంజెస్ చేస్తే దిల్షు నగర్లో పొందినట్టు లాభాలు మనం పొందొచ్చు. ఓకే, సో అలా మనము డిఫరెంట్ అంటే దిస్ ఈజ్ ద పాస్ట్ డేటా. ఈ పాస్ట్ డేటాను బట్టి మనం ఏం చేస్తున్నాం, వీఆర్ ప్రిడిక్టింగ్ ద ఫ్యూచర్. వీఆర్ ప్రిడిక్టింగ్ ద ఫ్యూచర్, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. we are predicting the future. Okay, very very important. Okay, and these things we are going to use generally in a software lo vaartaru ekku iyanni data methodology lo vaartaru iyanni. Okay, data warehousing, data mining antaru. Okay, data mining idi nothing but mine చేస్తున్నాం, డేటాని dig చేస్తున్నాం, ఫ్యూచర్ ప్రిడిక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. మైనింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద నాలెడ్జ్ ఆఫ్ వాట్, పాస్ట్ వాల్యూస్. ఐ థింక్ ఇక్కడ మీకు అర్థమై ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ మీకు అర్థమై ఉంటుంది అలా. ఐ థింక్ యూ గాట్ ఇట్ ఓవర్ హియర్, మై డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే, okay my dear friends. Okay, similarly, very very important, my dear friends. Okay, this is based upon the what, my dear friends, prediction. Now third one is, my dear friends, based upon the change in time shift or not changing the time. Okay, based upon the change in time shift, based upon non-change of time, non-change or change in time shift. in shifting the time in time shift, my dear students. In time shift, my dear students. Okay, so whatever the change that is going to be taking place, so when there is no non-change in the time shift, okay, when there is a change in the time shift, the non-change in the time shift means it is called a stationary random process. It is called a stationary random process. Okay, means a random process if its statistics are not changing by time shift, so it is stationary random process. And this one is non-stationary random process. Okay, stationary random process and non-stationary random process are very very important. A random process is said to be a stationary random process if its statistics are unaffected by the change in the time shift. Okay, even change in the time shift అయినా కూడా okay దాని యొక్క ప్రాపర్టీస్ ఏం మారవు, non change. Okay, so a random process is said to be, my dear students, a non-stationary random process if its characteristics are affected, my dear students, even the timing change అంటే టైం చేంజ్ చేస్తున్న కొద్దీ ఈ యొక్క క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ మారుతాయి. ఇక్కడ నువ్వు టైం షిఫ్ట్ చేస్తున్న కొద్దీ ఈ యొక్క క్యారెక్టరిస్టిక్స్ మారవు. So you have this one. Okay, so here ultimately write down, my dear students, in your notes if you want to add, write down the definition. Stationary random process means a random process is said to be stationary if its statistics are unaffected by time shift. Okay, and non-stationary random process, a random process is said to be non-stationary random process, my dear students, if its characteristics are okay. Yep, see here, this is what stationary. Non-stationary means changes. There is stationary definition lies in the name only. అలా ఉండిపోతాయి. నాన్ స్టేషనరీ మాత్రం మారుతూ ఉంటాయి ప్రాపర్టీస్. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ దిస్ వన్, స్టేషనరీ ర్యాండమ్ ప్రాసెస్, మై డియర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే, సిమిలర్లీ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఈస్ classification of random process. In that very very important is stationary random process. Stationary random process, my dear students, it has been classified into it has been classified into two types, my dear students. Again here, again it has been divided into two types, my dear students. స్టేషనరీ ర్యాండమ్ ప్రాసెస్. ఓకే, ఈ స్టేషనరీ ర్యాండమ్ ప్రాసెస్ వచ్చి టూ టైప్స్ నానా. దీన్ని ఏమంటారంటే స్టిక్ట్ సెన్స్ స్టేషనరీ. స్టిక్ట్ ఎస్టిఆర్ఐసిటి సెన్స్ స్టేషనరీ ర్యాండమ్ ప్రాసెస్. దీనికి ఇంకో పేరు కూడా ఉంది, ఎస్క్యూబార్పి అంటారు. అంటే స్టిక్ట్ సెన్స్ స్టేషనరీ. దీన్ని ఏమంటారు స్టిక్ట్ ఎస్టిఆర్ఐసిటి, దీనికి సెన్స్. ఓకే, దీనికి స్టేషనరీ. ఓకే, సిమిలర్లీ దిస్ వన్ ఈస్ WSS, వైడ్ సెన్స్ స్టేషనరీ ర్యాండమ్ ప్రాసెస్. Wide sense stationary random process, my dear students. Okay, so these are the very very important random process that we are going to discuss, my dear students, in the next class, because the next continuation class is the very very important, and based upon that class we are going to solve the various problems, my dear students, over there. Okay, in a detailed manner, my dear students. Okay, once again, okay, the very very important things that I have depicted over here. Okay, so these are all the types of random process where we are going to study in a detailed manner, okay, in the next coming class. So in this particular session, what we have finished, my dear students, we have finished the very important is that the random variables concept. Okay, the random variables concept we have finished. Okay, so what is the definition of a random process? What is the difference between a random variable and random process? How to represent the equations in CDF? Okay, in a random process, first order CDF and the second order CDF. Second one, where similarly we are representing the first order probability density function and second order probability density function. Okay, similarly, how many types of averages are there? What are statistical averages and what are ensemble averages? What are those particular formulas? Okay, what happens if the both averages are same? Then it is called ergodic random process. Similarly, classification of random process. My dear students, we have finished all this part. In the next coming class, what are the conditions for the strict sense stationary random process and wide sense stationary random process, my dear students, and some of the other beautiful concepts we are learning in a detailed manner, my dear students, in the next session. Okay, finally, what I told you itself is that the okay, these probability and random variables is very important, my dear students. Don't miss the class over this particular session, very important. As I told you that the number of followers in the Facebook and Instagram and Telegram are day by day increasing. As far as Unacademy is concerned, Unacademy Telugu channel, you are going to access the subject in two languages, Telugu and English. You have some other channels that are present in Unacademy where you are going to access the different subjects for the different competitive level examinations, my dear students. Okay, and finally, thank you very much for attending this particular session, my dear students. Thank you.